Today we're going to foam roll our T-band. Grab your trusty foam roller. This is just a PVC pipe covered in some cord, but any foam roller will do. Now, we're going to be foam rolling from just below this bone on the outside of our hip to right above the knee, making sure to actually stay off of the bone. We're only foam rolling through the muscle and the tissue on the outside of our thigh. Then what you're going to do is place the foam roller underneath the outside of your thigh. I'm rolling on my left side here. You're going to support yourself with your hands and also bring your other leg over the top and place the foot flat on the ground to offer some more stability and a little bit more control. Then we're going to move up and down through the outside of our thigh, taking note of any tender spots and rolling for a total of 30 to 60 seconds. Instead of going all the way through the entire muscle at one time, what I would recommend is going through the top half for 30 seconds or so, and then going to the bottom half for the next 30 seconds. After that minute time slot, you're going to go back to one of those tender spots and hold on it. Shouldn't hold for any longer than 1 minute or so. And if you want to add a little extra magic to it, you can bend and straighten this knee while on that one spot. Then after 10 reps of bending that knee, you're going to go find a different spot and do the exact same thing. You're going to do this for a total of 3 to 4 spots, and in total foam rolling on one side for 2 minutes or so. And then go to the opposite side and do the same exact thing.